Hello everybody, today we are going to take a quick tour on Quizizz. So Quizizz is a very fun tool. It's pretty much a game for students and it just takes very quick time, like no time at all, to actually create a quiz or to look for a quiz if you're more in a rush. It's great data for formative assessment and it works in all devices. I've tried it in all devices, computer, desktop, all desktops, and it works fine. So now I'm going to take you to Quizizz. Very easy. Go to Google. First one that you will see is Quizizz. For Quizizz is quizizz.com. Very simple. So when you log in or sign up, it's just going to ask you a very few questions. And so I'm going to log in. I will do it with my personal Google, so it's easier and it's very quick. It's very similar to Kahoot, but the difference is that this one you can link to your Google Classroom if you're using it, and that gives it a huge pro. Also with this one, it takes away the attention to the screen only, so students can work independently or they can work with groups without looking at your screen, but they can be working on their own devices. So it's very nice for them to work independently as well. So here I'm going to show you that here you have the main courses or sessions. I will go to World Languages and you will see that you can find a ton of resources. And even if I, for example, I wanted to look something for animals in Spanish, and you will have all this. So sometimes you don't even have to create them. You can look for the topic that you're looking for and then you can just edit. So, and the great thing is here you will see the preview of each. So we'll click on this animales just for an example, and then if you want to play it live or homework, you can do so. But if you want to add it to your collection, you can do so, and then you can edit. You can also share it, duplicate it for editing. And this is a very cool feature. I still haven't tried it. It's the homework. So if you preview all the settings, you put a date, you put a time, you proceed, and then it's pretty cool because you can share it on all these areas, and you can also use the game code and use the link if you're not using any of these three platforms. Pretty cool, right? So in game, that's for homework, but for playing live it's pretty simple too. Now we're going to go create a quiz. Very simple. We'll create a quiz about hola. And I don't usually align it with state standards because they don't usually have it for world languages, but they do have it for all the others. So, and you can choose your language, add image, save, and now just create a question. Now you write your question here and the options. You can select a single correct answer or a multi-select. So as you can see, it's extremely user-friendly. It's just a matter of following the links and following the instructions. You can add the image here. You can erase. So if you want to put only two options, that's up to you. And then you add or change the times that you want the students to have for answering each question. Usually if it's something very simple like vocabulary, it's very quick. You should not do more than 20 or 30 seconds. But if it's something that requires more thinking, you can add up more. So we will save that. Oh, well, I can't save it. Finish quiz, exit. So that's pretty much, in a nutshell, what Quizizz is. I encourage you to use it. It's fun for all ages. I've used it from as young as first grade, and they absolutely love it. So, and I'm sure the middle school and high schoolers would love it too. Here are your quizzes, the reports, and the reports are great because then it gives you the accuracy, the total players, and you can download it in Excel so you have your data ready to go. I hope you enjoyed my small tutorial. You can contact me on my email or on my Twitter, and hopefully I can hear from you feedback, or if you have any questions, don't doubt in contacting me. Bye bye.